Film education is about celebrating creativity in class.
It's a way of telling stories in an attractive way.
Is for the students to be able to understand their feelings and emotions when they watch a film.
Film education is fun, art and passion brought into school.
Film education is bringing cinema into the classroom and bring students closer to the cinema.
Le cinéma est l'enseignement, ma plus grande passion.
Is how we create pathways along which students are given opportunities and spaces to view things from a variety of perspectives.
Film education means bringing the world and exploring it.
Film education is about watching, thinking and discussing about films.
Watch, think, discuss, learn and enjoy art. That is film education.